Hi, Linda Berger here from Businesswomen Warriors. I wanted to take a moment to go over with you some of the things that you can expect from this program, but most importantly, to find out if you're a good fit for it. So the 90-day Business Growth Challenge is all about picking one big area in your business that's going to make a difference in growing your business and moving it forward in 90 days. The reason for that is you may be somebody that gets overwhelmed with all of the different components that it takes to managing and running and using the marketing and sales in your business. So this is an opportunity to take 90 days, only 3 months, to focus in on one big area that is really going to help you move your business forward. If you're not quite sure what that area is, on our very first call, I help you identify and clearly align with what you are going to be focusing in on in that first in your 90 days. The second thing is that you have to be coachable, and you also have to be willing to put time aside every week to listen to your modules and to do the work necessary to move your business forward. Is that you? So you really want to be honest with yourself and ask yourself that. The third thing is that, are you willing to do what it takes to push yourself out of your comfort zone? Because that's the only way you're going to be able to move your business forward in the direction that you want to move it into. In our 90-day programs, I actually have 3 levels. The very first level, which is this one, is if you're not making $3,500 consistently every single month, this is a really good program for you to get yourself focused and started to develop the discipline you need to have consistent income. And everything is here for you step by step, and you'll receive 4 calls with your group and with me to help you understand where some of your blocks may be, with some laser coaching, some masterminding with the rest of the group. And it's also an opportunity for you to be with other business people that are struggling as you may be or have already struggled. So join us if this program works for you. So if you're looking to make $3,500 a minimum every month consistently, and willing to be coachable and willing to set aside the time that you need to build your business, then this is the program for you. So I hope to see you in the program, and all you need to do is fill out the application. And I look forward to seeing you. Signing off and sending big warrior hugs. Hi, Linda Berger here from Businesswomen Warriors. I wanted